question that we are getting is from Dhunavant. He is holding 1,000 shares of Ratan India Power. Now, he purchased it at 15.39 rupees a piece, and he's asking if he should be holding or selling. For this, let's go across to both of you one by one, starting with Sarvendra. How is Ratan India Power looking on the charts to you?
I think I would being the first question, but still I would like to be a little. I like to pass this one because I don't have a very strong view on Ratan Power India, and penny stocks. I have always said that try and please avoid till you have better options to trade. I think I would try to avoid this one.
Right, Manish. What's your sense on it?
I think Ratan Power India. I think there are better stocks in the power space to play. And if someone is holding, I think my suggestion would be to move to something better in terms of quality, better in terms of earnings growth. So my pick in the power sector would be more to do with NHPC and NTPC. So these two, I think, should be part of the portfolio from a 1 to 2 year perspective, as I feel that a lot of commissioning would happen and the earnings trajectory would improve from here on.
Very, very clearly, Manish, what's your pick? Should the viewer who has sent us this query buy, sell or hold?
I think I would ask the viewer to sell this stock and move to the NHPC and NTPC.
Okay, so sell is the word coming out.
Okay, so next up we have Dheeraj from Hyderabad. He's currently holding 100 shares of Adani Ports at a price of 1,190 a piece. And he wants to know about the short-term outlook. So today the stock was up about 0.5%. So I would like to go across to Sarvesh on this one. Sarvesh, what do you have to say on this?
Adani Ports, right?
Yeah.
See, here I would within this for this particular group, there have always been little news flow, and so I think this becomes a little high beta. See, only the risk profile you get. The stock is, I think it's fairly liquid. It's a good stock, but the only thing is little high beta and driven by news sometimes. But I think at current levels, I think 1180, 1200, that remains a good short-term support. We had one dip towards 1100. Over the last fortnight, but I think if I even look at a medium term, I think 1100 would be a good support area. Short term, as I said, 1180, 1200 is a support. So broadly, the stock is in support areas at the moment. So anybody wanting to look at a buy side, I think 1100 for the medium term guys, 1100 should be a support area, and for traders, I think 1180 can be used as a stop loss. So 1100 to 1180 are stop loss areas, and anybody wanting to look for targets on the upside, I think 1380, 1400 will be immediate targets, and if you give it 3-6 months, then possibly 1450, 1500 is also possible here.
Right, Sarvesh. So just as a disclaimer to our viewers, NDTV Profit, the sister channel of NDTV, is a subsidiary of AMG Media Networks Limited, which is owned by the Adani Group.